When you have a carpet cleaning problem, typically it needs solving straight away. If you're like Mel, you start by searching online and quickly discover many carpet cleaners around Townsville. So how do you choose one? Often websites can't tell you whether the carpet cleaner is honest, trustworthy and reliable. They don't tell you if the carpet cleaner is qualified or whether they take pride in the quality of their work. We all look for these characteristics in a carpet cleaner, but struggle finding someone to meet the brief. Well, until today, that is. Let me introduce you to Nice Threads Carpet Cleaning. At Nice Threads, we provide instant obligation-free quotes, so there are no surprises. We aim to help you save money by charging by the task, not the hour. We promise to treat your home with respect. We know your time is precious, so you can count on us to arrive on time, ready to work, with the right equipment to complete the job. Your transaction with us will be completely hassle-free. We know that actions speak louder than words, so call us today and allow us to demonstrate that we are reliable, trustworthy and grateful for your custom.